So what do you think is the future of Yiddish, or what do you even think is the
Well,
present of
I'm
Yiddish?
delighted that the Yiddish Book Center, is in the forefront of promoting the language and giving courses and interesting young people. And I was interested when I read Aaron Lansky's book, Outwitting History, you know, how he assembled these books and it started off in his career. And I was particularly interested in his talking about finding out that there was a cache of books somewhere on the Lower East Side, and it was in the building of a scribe. And he asked him about the books. He says, "Oh," he says, "you mean those Trafe books down in the basement, the Yiddish books?" And I'm just grateful to him that he began this journey, and I hope it continues.